name is Saturnina Rodriguez. I am from Seraulim, falling in the village of Seraulim. With a sad state of mind, I stand here to narrate what has happened with my dog. On the 29th, at about 11 o'clock, I received a call from one Crazy Mazzarello, and that is his first call for me. I don't know from where he got my number. He said, so and so, your dog was slipping behind my rear tire, and I was taking a reverse, and it got crushed. I said, then what happened? No, it was slipping behind the rear tire, and accidentally I ran over the dog. I said, Baba, mistakes can happen, and now what are you going to do now? At least pull the dog and keep beside my gate, because this was beside my compound wall, rear gate. So within half an hour, me and my wife, we reached home and saw that the dog was still alive. According to the caller, the dog was still breathing, but he was not sure whether the dog was alive or dead. So we saw the dog is still alive, breathing, and immediately we took the dog and ran to the vet. When we ran to the vet, x-rays were taken, other first aid was given, and on the x-rays we found that the dog's rear leg was broken into pieces and the internal organs has come into the skull with the weight of the car. So about 12:30 until 5 o'clock we were there with the dog. The vet yard at Fatorda, the doctors and the staff, they did whatever they could do, and we brought the dog back home, say about 5 o'clock. At that moment, my son went and saw the CCTV cameras of our house and found that it wasn't an accident, it was a willful act where the driver, Mr. Crazy Mazzarello, he started his car, took a turn and willfully or deliberately ran over the dog. But what he told me initially was a fact that are all lies. The dog did not fall behind the rear wheel. The dog was crushed under the front left wheel. Therefore, this man should be charged for willful act of deliberate maiming the dog. Now, this is about 5 days. We are taking the dog to the vet every single day and spend about 4 hours doing the treatment, and it has to be operated, but since the parameters of the dog is lower, it will take little time for the operation. In the meantime, I lodged the complaint with the Colva Police, and at the same time I contacted DSPCA, the officer Mr. Raj, who assisted me in moving ahead so that this cruelty to animals should stop and the willful act should be brought to the notice of the public.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.